morning. It is just a beautiful day today. One of the things I love about nature is the incredible engineering and design that you find all throughout nature. It's just really beautiful. And oh my goodness, what is that? I gotta get the boys. Hey boys, you won't believe what I've seen out in the woods. This is amazing. I've been waiting years to see one of these. You guys have got to come out and check this out. Hurry, let's go. Wait. Now we're ready. Let's go. Something? Yeah, okay. Alright. Let me see if I can see it. We're gonna stand up real carefully, alright? Let's see if we can see it. See it out there? There it is. Oh! Do you see it? See it out there? Oh man, isn't it a beauty? Yeah. I've been looking for this for many years, and I've looked all over, and finally I think I found one today, but let me look at the field guide to see if in fact it is what I think it is. All right. Okay. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. It's a Compact Deere. All right, pay attention, guys. Now listen. We have to be real quiet. Look up here. You have to be real quiet because we don't want to scare it away, all right? All right, so now let me tell you a little bit about this. The Compact Deere. It weighs in at around 2,400 pounds. That's right. It's about 1.25 tons. And did you know it can lift up to 1,200 pounds with its bucket loader? Isn't that amazing? And it has about 70 at max torque. It has about 72 pounds per foot. It's an amazing, amazing creature. Oh man, this is so exciting. I can't believe it. You know what? I think we ought to try to get a little closer look at it and see what we can get in closer. Because I want to see it. I want to see it, all right? All right.
Dad, what happened to your voice?
Oh, I'm sorry. I get a little excited. I think I've watched too many crocodile hunter videos. But who could watch too many crocodile hunter videos, right, guys? All right, shh. Let's get a little bit closer. Okay, guys, be quiet. I think it heard us. All right. Oh, yeah, it definitely heard us. I think we definitely alerted it. Is it alert? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's up now. There it is. Alright guys, that was an amazing adventure. Now that we know the Compact Deere is in these parts, we're going to keep an eye out for it. So look for more adventures ahead. Alright guys, stay positive, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Good job guys, not bad. Oh guys, I think we just discovered another species out in the woods. Look, it's red. What is this? What is that? He's moving in the forest. He looks wild. Is he gonna come and get us? I've never seen anything like that in the woods in these parts of the country. Oh, there he is, bouncing around. What is that? Guys, we better run. It's gonna get us. Ah! There it is. There it is. There it is! Oh!